let us see the various parts of the File module in eFile. To access various options of Files module, click on the hamburger menu and then Files. Alternatively, users can just click here to access various list pages and actions of File module. A few of the actions for files, which are most frequently used, can also be found on the top Quick Access menu bar. Create New in the left navigation panel corresponds to Create in the File Quick Action menu. This is used to create a new file. Please note, a file can be created by anyone, not necessarily only by the section, as file number can be generated by selecting the relevant values from the drop-downs under File Number and filling up other relevant details on the file cover page, which we will see in detail in file creation video. Next is Create Part. A part file is created when the main file is under submission and unavailable for some time, and a fresh receipt or a note has to be processed immediately without waiting for its return. It may also be created when it is required to consult simultaneously two or more sections or officers. We will be delving into the details of part file creation in subsequent videos. Then we have Created. It contains list of all the created files which are not moved or forwarded after their creation. Next is Inbox. This will display all the files that have been received by the user from other officials. It contains various details of the files like their computer number, file number, subject, sent by, sent on, read on, due on, and many more. Also, actions like send back, create part, park, close and various others can be taken from here. Again, we would be dealing with detailed features and actions of Inbox in the upcoming videos. Subfolders of Inbox can also be created for segregating and organizing the files of Inbox based on category of the subject, or priority, or due date, or any other criteria as per user requirement. The subfolder of Inbox, Submitted Files for Closing Approval, includes the details of all the files that the user has submitted for seeking approval from the concerned authority to close them. Sent. Clicking on this link will display list of all the files that have been forwarded by the user to other officials of the organization. We will be dealing with the Sent folder in details in subsequent videos. Parked. Clicking on this link will display list of all the files on which action is required after a certain period of time and are segregated by the user from the other files of the inbox to categorize them into separate group of files away from the pending files of inbox. They are parked for an interim period and can be unparked as and when action is required on them. Then we have initiated actions. This will allow user to search all the actions initiated on files by him or her or other users in his section using various search parameters and take required action after reviewing them, that is, add comment or close them. The initiate action on files is similar to that of initiate action on receipts, which we have seen in detail in receipt forwarding video. Now, let's start exploring more about working on file.